friends, so today I'm going to write code for face detection. It will basically identify your expression and react accordingly. So to begin with it, we have an option of this add extension. You will click on this and then because we have to use face detection, you will click on face detection. Automatically all the blocks will be downloaded. You can see I have already added, so this extension is added. Now what I want to do is I want to just program on whatever expression is there. It should identify the expression and display the message. So I'm taking a sprite, that is a square box. We can take a board also, and right now I'm taking a square box. You can see it's a square box. We'll go to costume, adjust it. I'll just increase its size. You can just increase its size, put it here and increase it. First zoom out, sorry. Now I'll increase the size. Now you can see this is adjusted. Now it will look like a border. Okay, now again back to code. First of all, we have to turn on camera. This is turn on video and stored with 0% transparency. Why 0%? Because if we will increase that, I'll show you, then only you will understand. First I'll start events on flag. So when we will start it, you can see the camera will be there. Now if you will increase the transparency, suppose I'm making it 100, so your face will not be visible. Now again I'll run it. You can see it will be totally white. So if we will use 0%, then it will be visible. Okay, now we have to use, again I'll run it. Now what I'm going to do, meanwhile I'll put it on 100%. Okay, now what we are going to do is we have to wait, control, we will use forever. We have to analyze our face. Okay, again face detection and then analyze image. So it will first of all analyze the image. If now we have to give condition. If suppose no face is detected, it should display a message. Otherwise, now condition, we will check condition in control. If then face, we have to get faces, and if it is 0, I'll put it here, make it 0, means it will see whether the face is there or not. If it is greater than 0, I'm sorry, I have to use if else. If otherwise it will not display message. In case of, we can use if also, but if no face is detected, it will not display any message. So better option is using if else. So if it is there, in that case what we have to do, we have to just find out what expression is there. Okay, to find it out, we will again use one more if in control, one more if. Now we have to see what expression is there. I'll take this block. If expression is happy, in that case I'll just display a message, any message you can display. I'm putting it, wow, happy to see you happy. Now I'll just make a copy of it. It is analyzing the face, it is hanged now. Okay, now I'll put it in another if it is said, suppose, so it will display, hey, what happened, why are you said. Another copy, if it is suppose surprised. Okay, what happened, why are you surprised. Basically whatever message you feel like, you can just put it. this should be in if only. Again, for neutral also I'll just place a message. I'll make it neutral. Hi, how are you? I think this much is sufficient. And then finally, else if it does not detect any message, so we will display a message, no face detected, in case nothing is there in front of camera. Now I'll just execute it. Before executing, I'll just again decrease the transparency. Now you can see here. So I have already executed. Now, hi, how are you? Why it is displaying? Because it is neutral. Now if I will smile, hi, you can see here, wow, happy to see you. Okay, now I'll make surprise. Wait, what happened? Why you are surprised? So in this way, basically, if one more option is there, why you are sad. If I'll make sad face, why you are sad. So basically, whenever we, according to expression, we can program to display the message accordingly. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.